Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com. I repair screen printing equipment. So we are standing behind an M&R Saturn 2538 with yellow bar. The most common problem with this press is the stroke brake. So you need that for it to stop in front and stop in back without it going too far forward or too far back or creeping. So this uses a small pancake air cylinder right here. It has, it's a one-way, so it needs a stainless steel spring inside the cylinder to help it. So that spring occasionally breaks and it will not function properly. So you have to either buy a new stainless steel spring or to repair it, or buy a whole new cylinder. So that's the problem. It does have another spring back here to push it back. So this is run kind of like a car brake system, but it's a little bit different. So I'm going to show you it functions. And this one's running fine. Pushes it forward and back, stops in front. Not engaged, engaged went up. So that's how this works. So that's the number one problem with this press. Thank you. Oh, go to my website. I'll have other videos on how to repair the screen printing equipment. And thank you, and please subscribe.